Oh, I just finished horrible. What was I wanting to show? Oh, I tried it. This one's advertised as caution, highly addictive. This one is for me personally. I already like over 3/4 of it. Way so much, and it says load to Sancho. That's pretty good. It reminds me of Acapulco's Rush restaurant near downtown Hot Springs, Arkansas, lots of years ago, down to 1997, and even salsa that my mother would make. And I got this on. I had to put wet laundry in a clean bag because it wouldn't spin. I put it on drain and spin more than once today, and it wasn't doing it right. I don't know. I don't get it. Anyway.